Hey guys, welcome back. So today, I don't know, I'm squirming so much. So today I'm doing a chit chat, get ready with me, get to know my journey, I guess, or what I've been up to. Yes, what I've been up to. It's I get ready really fast on a daily basis, so this is me basically getting ready and then just letting you guys in on what I've been up to. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and just start from the beginning. So in February, there was a layoff at my job. So when that happened, it was really, really unexpected. It was just kind of like, what the hell? Like, why? Like, why is this happening? And it was happening to so many of us. So we were all just kind of like, um, and so they gave us like the option to stay with the company or, they would give us our severance packages and, we can go our separate ways. So at that point, I was like, what am I gonna do? Like, I didn't expect this to happen at all, so it's not like I had like a plan B or anything. And at the time, I was just really unhappy, and I was just like, what am I gonna do? Like, that's all I could think about. Like, what am I gonna do? Like, what am I gonna do? I felt so stuck, and I was just like, oh my gosh. And it was just like one thing after another, like back to back. And so I was just like, okay, everything happens for a reason. So I have to like figure this out. So one day I just sat down and I was just like, okay, do I really want to be here? Or like, what do I really want to do? So what I decided to do was I decided to take the severance package that they were offering us. And I was just like, you know what? I'm going to take this as an opportunity and I'm going to just take some time off of working because I've always worked. I've worked since I was young and I've never had like a period of time where I could just not work and be okay. So I took the opportunity and I decided to just go 100% into this YouTube thing. So I took the offer and then it would happen so fast. Like I decided that I was going to take it. I emailed them and then my last day was like the very next day. So after that happened, it all kind of got real and I was just like, oh, like I'm not gonna be here anymore because I was with the company for almost 3 years. So I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm really not gonna be here anymore. Like I'm not gonna see my friends. And but I was happy. I was really excited and it was just kind of oh my god. So like I was saying before I was interrupted, I was really, really excited about my decision with deciding to leave. So we signed everything and I got all my paperwork done and I left. And it was a bittersweet day, but I was excited. And then after that, I took like a whole week of just like doing nothing. And it was cool. I mean, there's nothing like not working, but at the same time, I was kind of going stir crazy because I was always so used to like working or doing something that like just being home and letting myself do nothing, it was kind of like I was wasting my day. But on the back of my mind, I was just like, you're not, you're just kind of chilling right now before you get into the swing of things. So I took some time off and then I started getting into filming and then putting out videos. And then I also started to work out. I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do this because, like, why not? I mean, I have the time. Might as well just, like, full throttle, just get into it. So I started going to the gym with my friend, and at first it was so rough. I was just like, what the hell? Because I don't work out. Like I haven't worked out in a really, really long time. So obviously my body wasn't used to it. And so the first week I was just like, oh my God, this is so hard. But then like once we started getting into the swing of things there, it started to get easier. And I actually started to like it because at first I was just like, oh my gosh, like what did I get myself into? Like I don't even like working out. And then I was like, oh, I'm gonna be working out and then I have to, I can't be eating like how I used to because when I was working, I used to eat out every single day. Every day it was just fast food. Like there wasn't a day that we were just like, oh, no, it was like full on every day. So I was just like, oh man, like I can't even indulge anymore. So I was just kind of like double thinking it, but after like the first week of like getting into it, it for sure got easier. And now I go, well, at least I try to go every day during the week. And then I usually take like the weekends off. Those are my rest days. And I really like it. I mean, now I really enjoy it. It gets my day started. I like going in the morning. We usually go in the morning. It gets my day started. Like it just puts me in a better mood. I've noticed that I've been like in a way better mood than I was before. And I mean, it's pretty cool. So if you guys are thinking of hitting the gym, I recommend it. Even if it's like a couple days out of the week, like why not, Even if you have like a home gym, go there. Save your coins. But yeah, so that's what I've been up to basically. I sometimes I miss working. It's kind of weird, but I mean, actually I miss some of the people that I worked with. Because let me tell you, I had my fair share of dealing with people that was not fun. And it's just a lot of negativity and it really messes with you when people are just being negative all the time and just, just talking bad about people like consistently and it's just like, oh my God, why? Like just stop. And I feel like if you're in a situation where you're unhappy, it's better to just remove yourself from it, And like I said, at that point I wasn't happy where I was at and it was a blessing in disguise because when it happened, I was panicking, like I was freaking out because when someone tells you like, oh, you're about to lose your job, it's scary. Like, what am I gonna do? Like, how am I gonna, like pay for things or adult things, bills and all that other stuff. But I like to think of it as a blessing in disguise for me for where I was at, and I'm very happy with the decision that I made and where I'm at right now. I'm just in a better place, and I can only keep going, And I hope that this was a. Oh no! I stuck my blush brush in my highlighter. Oops. It happens, But I hope this little story time, get ready with me. I'm basically done. I just need mascara. Helped you guys get to know me a little bit better. And if you guys want more little story times like this, just let me know in the comments and I'll come up with more stories. Well, not come up with them. I have a bunch, but I'll tell you guys more. And I can't find my mascara, so you know what? I'll look for it in a second. But let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.